Alright now. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, OffgridEllisons, and we got a cooking tutorial for you. We have some chicken breasts right here. As you can see, I'm seasoning with some kicking chicken seasoning, if I can talk right. Excuse me, first I'll do the voiceover. Subscribe, you guys. But yeah, we're seasoning this boneless chicken breast. I mean, it ain't supposed to be boneless, but we're going in with some onion powder. I always like to season until my heart tells me to stop. You know when. If you ain't sneezing, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoning. I had with it with some garlic powder. Nice amount of seasoning there. Black pepper. If you have any other seasonings you feel will work as best as well, comment them in below. Everyday seasoning, you know, your mix. Your everyday seasoning has got that everything in it, the salt, the pepper, the extra garlic, paprika. But yeah, I had seasoned my flour, of course, with like same ingredients but less seasoning, since I already seasoned my chicken. You don't want it to be too salty. And then I had a bowl of milk with some paprika, some cayenne, give it some spice, crushed pepper. But yeah, you want to just dip them back and forth once in each. And then I probably went over it like one more time in the flour after I dipped it in the milk. But as you can see, I poured literally almost the right amount of flour in there. I'm over here like scraping. Oh, it's not getting on there. It's looking a hot mess. I'm just like, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get that in the pan. My pan was not hot enough. Epic fail. You guys subscribe. Like I said, I'm not a chef. I'm just cooking on YouTube. Drop some recipes you'll like me to try. But yeah, subscribe, comment, like, share. I really appreciate it. Me and my husband really appreciate it. But back to this pan. It wasn't hot as I wanted it to be from the start. That's why you gotta always just turn on your burners as soon as you know you're about to start cooking. But yeah, this is the part where I said epic fail. Look at that. That one doesn't look so bad, but the first flip, OMG. I'm over here trying to master frying chicken without deep frying it. Because if it was deep frying, it's gonna come out perfect. I promise you. I have to do a video on that. But yeah, epic fail with that. So this is what I use for the sauce: cayenne pepper, honey, a little bit of brown sugar, and some barbecue sauce. Heated that up with a little bit of peanut oil. I got the macaroni noodles. Well, they ain't macaroni. They're shell noodles. Y'all want to go and boil your water. Season your water. You got to season everything. Season that water with some salt, some pepper, some paprika. Give it a good stir. Oh yeah, if you don't throw butter in it, use peanut oil so the noodles don't stick together. And then I had drained the water, of course. Poured a little bit of milk in there. I did paprika, salt, pepper, and then I went in with my leftover four cheese, my yellow 4 cheese, whatever was left of cheese, and then I went and got some more shredded cheddar to add on top of that. I'm not gonna lie, I use a lot of cheese when I make my macaroni and cheese, because it ain't macaroni and cheese if it ain't cheese. And you see. The one thing I didn't do was throw it in the oven, but you can't deny it don't look good. But what goes best with macaroni, in my opinion? Corn. Me and my husband love corn, so we definitely pour like 3 cans just for ourselves. But this is what our chicken's looking like. Epic fail. You know, it's edible, it's good, but presentation, I need to work on that. But I went over and heated my sauce up, let it all melt down, let the seasonings melt down in there, and I covered the chicken. And then I went ahead and set my air fryer oven to 450. Make sure it's preheated. Shoved it in there, and I put it on about 10 minutes just to let that
when you get you a meat
sauce stick on there. But yeah, this is the finishing results. Rate my voiceover. I know it's an epic fail, but hey, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop some recipes down.
Voice,
Thank
I don't know
you.
what you expected me to do.